Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have y'all ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Lonnie from Garage Flip Garage? Whatever. Have you ever heard of the Buffalo picker? Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Have you ever heard of my boy from Fundmentalz of the Side Hustle? Yeah, and him and Regina Renee. Wednesday night hump night. Yeah, y'all need to watch that. Have you ever heard of what's the boy name from Kentucky? Dave, TP. I call him TP, he's a Tesla picker. Yeah. This is Kevin from St. Louis, and I just wanted to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Anyway, y'all, I just left out of one of my favorite stores to get stuff from. Lowe's. And I just bought a whole lot of clearance stuff, y'all. I'm turning y'all around. I'm gonna show y'all when I get home the stuff that I got. These were 5 cents a piece. It's 10 in each box. This right here was $80. It's on clearance for $5. I just got a lot of stuff. When I get home, y'all, I'm gonna pull the stuff out the bag. I already put some of this stuff on eBay already while I was walking around the store. Anyway, I'm gonna pull the stuff out the bag and show y'all what I got when I get home. And so I'll see y'all in a few minutes. Well, it ain't gonna be a few minutes. I'm in Illinois. I live across the river. So it'll be about 15, 20 minutes. Anyway, y'all, peace. I'll see y'all in a few minutes. Hey, y'all, how y'all doing? I'm back. I want to show y'all what I picked up at Lowe's. You know, I made a video earlier about where I was at. Okay, first off, bought this hose right here. See how much I paid for it? See that $1 right there? Paid $1 for this. I got 6 of these. I looked them up on eBay, $15.99 a piece. I'm gonna put the picture on the screen right there, $15.99 a piece. And all this is a washing machine drain hose. That's all it is. Whatever. I paid $1 for them. I got 6 of them. I bought every last one of them. The package wasn't open. There was a whole lot of them that the packages was torn open. I didn't want those. I probably still could have sold them, but I'd rather sell stuff that's brand new in the package. What the hell? Anyway, next up, I bought these single wall plates for all the others for switches, plug-in switches and stuff like that. There's 10 of them in there. Look how much I paid for that. 5 cents a piece. I'm selling them by the box. This box right here on eBay is selling for $24.99. I got 3 of them. I wish they had more. I got 3 boxes. Next up, this little 4-way key thing right here. This right here is what you use when you say you got a water hose outside, water spigot, and you know that little knob you turn on and off. If that comes out, you can use this to turn it on and off. It's got little slots in there for different sizes. I bought 2 of these, but I'm keeping one. I paid $1.50 for this. It's selling for $9.99 on eBay. I'm keeping one of them though. Okay, next up, this 5-pack of push-in light buttons. I paid $1 for that. Look, $1 for a 5-pack. This selling for $17.99 on eBay. I don't know whether I'm going to put that on eBay or not, because, you know, I'm a handyman. I come across people needing light switches, and I probably can make more money that way by installing a light switch. So I might keep those. The big ticket item, y'all, is a deck lighting transformer for a deck. Look how much I paid for that. $5. See that $5 on there? And all it is a timer for your lights on your deck. I paid $5 for this. This selling in an open box like this without the other stuff in there, because it comes with some wiring. Without that, it's selling for $120 to $140. If I had the wiring and stuff, it'd be like $180, $200 for this. So right now, this right here with the stuff that it don't have. It's $120, $140. I pay $5. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put on eBay for $110. I'm going to undercut everybody else. Free shipping. I pay $5 for it. I'm just telling you what I'm going to do. Anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. You know, and I haven't talked to you guys in a while, but I just wanted to let you guys know I'm still out here. I'm still out here doing it. But, you know, what is this? This is Saturday. So this is the 2nd. So I want to wish everybody a happy new year. And y'all keep picking out there. I'm doing a whole lot of different stuff this year. I'm gonna hook up with our Buffalo Picker in Glass City and see what they can do to help me out because I'm gonna go ahead and join Amazon. Well, I already joined Amazon. I just haven't put nothing on it yet. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do this year. I'm gonna do some arbitraging and stuff like that. But anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. This is gonna be a short video. You know, thanks for watching, and I'll start making more videos. But I couldn't do it in Lowe's today. So you guys have a happy new year, and I'll be putting some more videos out for you guys to see. But anyway, for now, all I got to say is we pickin' the hood too. Yeah. Peace. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Peace.